guys, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to unbox our new MacBook Pro. So सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसकी स्पेसिफिकेशन के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो ये है MacBook Pro 14 इंच 1M Pro प्रोसेसर के साथ. या सो इसकी जो बेसिक स्पेसिफिकेशन है 16 GB यूनिफाइड मेमोरी एंड 1 TB SSD. इसकी जो बिल्ट इन स्टोरेज डिवाइस है हमारे पास वो है 1 TB SSD. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट्स अनबॉक्सिंग. So it is my old MacBook, which is 2015 Retina 12 inch. So I used to work on this MacBook during my undergraduate degree. Now I am upgrading this with replacing with this MacBook Pro 14 inch with one M1 Pro chip. Yeah, let's start unboxing. As usual. Okay. So finally. So its weight I think round about 1.5 kg. So we will so the user manual. So what we have in this, I have been waiting for the one thing that is this. The first time Apple has given black Apple stickers. So this is the new thing that I am finding here. Okay, so as usual we are not going to read this user manual. Okay, so next thing is so adapter, 96 watt C adapter, which is included, and with MagSafe 4 cable. Yeah. So this is how much is this long? Yeah. Okay, so it is long in length. Yeah, we usually need such lengthy cables. And the newest thing is that's not a new thing, but they have included in now in this version that is the MagSafe port. Okay, so let's put this. Sheet eco-friendly from MacBook. So smooth. Yeah, so they have engraved MacBook Pro here, the logo MacBook Pro engraved. So we are going to turn this on, and wow, auto on. So very large in size, even in length and width. And if we talk about the thickness, it's very thick than the 2015 ones. It's very thick, and the weight is much heavier now. Yeah, the weight is heavier because of due to they have embedded more ports in this, because in previous one they just have only one charging port which we are going to use for charging and every works. So here we have three three C ports and one headphone port, and one is going to be MagSafe port, and one HDMI here, and one extra C port and SD card which you have embedded. Now you can move your pictures, videos and projects easily just by inserting your SD cards in this.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.